What's up, all you good-looking people out there? What's going on, D-Gens? All right, let's have a look at JASMY before we call it a night. We're going to look at Onyx Coin's chart as well because it is having a nice breakout this evening. So hopefully it can continue, but we're going to have a look at it, guys. We got to switch over to the hourly to get a hold of JASMY there. All right, so JASMY right now, even on the day, down 9.7% on the week, down 33.6% on the month, but up 450% on the year. We're down 3 spots in rank to 76, $1.45 billion market cap. Volume is still in the same range, 113.63 million. Market is looking great, guys. Now, people have been asking me all evening, well, why is everything's pumping? Why is JASMY not pumping? Guys, everything doesn't pump at the same time, right? Relax. JASMY's not the only thing that's not having a massive pump at this moment. Ondo's not having a massive pump right now. Suku, LCX, Taraxa, Telos. There's lots of projects. Sui, GFAL. There's lots of projects that are not having a pump right now. They will. Relax, right? Like everybody freaks out. Even Swift is only up 0.6%. So chill out. It'll pump. Don't worry. Big things popping. Little things, they're stopping. Let's go over to the JASMY chart. All right, so JASMY, once we get a little bit of volume here, sitting at 3 cents, 007 right now. Like I've told you guys before, we need a third touch on the top trend line here. So, I see a touch could take, I don't know, could be tonight, could be tomorrow, right? We could see that touch, rejection, potential rejection. Right? Then the breakout, the retest to confirm the breakout, and then we go. That's one possibility. Another possibility is we just break out, or we break out and retest, and we don't need that third touch and rejection, right? So either way, guys, this is a bullish structure. If for whatever reason, I still have my target down here, if for whatever reason Bitcoin does end up having a short squeeze or something and breaking to the downside, well, this is the box that JASMY is going to end up in my opinion, right down there between 2 cents 5 and 2 cents 75. But it's starting to seem less and less like that's going to happen. Going over to the Bitcoin chart, as we can see, we closed below the 30-day SMA, but we opened the new candle above it, and we are currently above it at $97,161. Now, what we need to do is close. You see this circled here, right over here. We need to close above here. We need to start closing candles above that to start putting in higher highs. Right now, even though we're up and it looks good, this is still just a lower high. That's all this is right now, guys, right? So we need to break to the upside here. If we kind of zoom out a little bit, what do we have? Again, we're just putting in lower highs. That's all we're doing right now, guys, right? We could come all the way up here, right around that $100,000 level. And if we reject off, well, then what did we do? All we did was boop, boop, lower high, right? That's all we will have achieved. So I'm not 100% bullish until macro bullish, short-term bullish. I'm not until we get above this here, this high here, and start closing daily candles above there, right? That's what we need to do. Put in a higher high and start continuing to put in those higher highs. That's what we need to do. Man, I can't speak tonight. that wasn't even a word. That's what we need to do. Okay, so pay attention to that. Got to start closing daily candles there. RSI is neutral, 52.51. Let's go over to the Onyx coin chart, which is currently breaking out as predicted. As you can see, we have our structure here, the breakout of the symmetrical triangle. My target is right up here at 2031219, somewhere around there. Maybe a little bit. We might go a little bit above it, come back down and consolidate here, build up a new level of support. That might be what we end up doing. Either way, this is my target right here. Maybe we come up, reject off, and come down a little bit. we'll see what happens. But this is my general area right here. We are breaking out now. Here's the thing. We have to close this current daily candle on the breakout. We have to close it outside of the symmetrical triangle. It's still possible. This candle doesn't close till 6 p.m. Central tomorrow, right? That's like 12, 13. That's like, I don't know, 19, I don't know, 12. That's like 16, 15 hours away, 15 hours away, something like that, from when I'm recording this video, right? So this candle could come all the way back down and be red and be inside here before it closes, right? Hopefully not, right? I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. I'm just saying we have to close this candle outside of here to confirm the breakout. That's what we want to see. We want to see that confirmation. Now, one of two things is going to happen. We're close, basically close to where we are now, and they continue up tomorrow up to this point, or we'll close, retest the top of the trend line before continuing up, because retest of the trend line is generally a confirmation of the breakout, right? So it doesn't always have to happen, though. It's just, it is bullish when it does. So don't freak out if that does happen. If we come down to the trend line here and test it as support before going, that's perfectly normal. If not, we might just keep going, right? We might, like this here, right? We might just do this here, this three daily candles in a row. We might just do that, right? So, but I'm just saying, showing you guys all possibilities. You got to be ready for anything, right? But it is bullish that we have Onyx coin on the breakout, guys. Very, very bullish for that. All right, let's go have a couple of quick little updates here on JASMY. JASMY Society says, one thing I believe is that JASMY needs to be a top 3 viewed cryptocurrency in Japan to really move up. Right now, it's not even in the top 16. I know it can do it. The JASMY team is working hard. Hopefully some amazing updates soon. I don't think it needs to be in the top 3 viewed cryptocurrencies in Japan to be successful. I mean, it is a nice thing to have, but I don't think that the success or a pump on the project is contingent on that fact, though. So that's my thoughts on that. All right, so All In Crypto. I don't know if you guys know All In Crypto. Shout out to them. One of my favorite channels to go and watch. He says this is his price target for JASMY. Check it out.
71 cents. Let's make that abruptly clear, or abundantly clear. And of course, we did do a video on this not that long ago when JASMY certainly took that neckline. Now, since then, it has came back into the certainly below now what is resistance that we think eventually will flip as support and ultimately trigger this broader pattern. But it's not the end of the world. Actually, JASMY is setting up perfectly. It's in this kind of falling wedge pattern on the shorter term, which is a continuation pattern. You often get them on pullbacks. Remember, pullbacks in uptrends are descending. That's exactly what we're getting for JASMY today. This is ultimately going to set us up for upside continuation. Actually, we were looking at the prospects of JASMY doing this months ago. And really, when we look at JASMY on the big time frames, this is a super good looking chart. 71.
Yeah, it is. 71 cents, guys. What do you think about a 71-cent JASMY? Would you take it? Would you take it for the top of this bull run? Now, visiting, of course, we can't do a JASMY video without visiting friend of the channel, Neo Extrix, Neo-san. Give him a follow over on X for the latest and greatest posts over on X. JASMY, pioneers of digital innovation and multidisciplinary collaboration. Audio version of my previous post for those allergic to reading. Thank you, Neo. If you're watching this, I always appreciate when you convert your typing, your words to video, because your videos are also always phenomenal, my friend. So check it out, guys.
Today's world is undergoing a digital transformation. Technology permeates every aspect of daily life, from communication to work and leisure. This shift comes with challenges and opportunities, and companies that adapt will thrive. In this context, JASMY's engineers, many hailing from Sony, bring a unique perspective. They have deep experience in cutting-edge technology development, coupled with a keen understanding of user needs. This combination is crucial for creating innovative solutions in the digital age. They possess in-depth knowledge of advanced technologies like blockchain, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. Creativity flows as they propose new and original solutions to encountered problems. They finally grasp user needs, allowing them to develop truly useful products and services. With the necessary experience, they navigate complex product development projects from conception to market. The skills and experience of JASMY's engineers are a valuable asset for the company, positioning JASMY as a leader in the digital era, offering innovative solutions that meet user needs. JASMY's engineers, with key members from Sony, bring a unique perspective to the project. Their skills and experience allow JASMY to lead in this field with innovative solutions that cater to user needs. Sony's innovation culture, ingrained in JASMY's engineers from the start, gives them a unique mindset to push boundaries and find new solutions. Accustomed to collaborating closely with diverse teams, JASMY's engineers develop solutions that consider the needs of all users. Sony's commitment to quality is shared by JASMY's engineers, striving to develop products and services of the highest possible quality.
Epic, epic, guys. I love it. Again, would you take a 71-cent JASMY? Are you excited that XCN is finally having its initial breakout? You love to see it, guys. Now, guys, listen, I'm so jacked up about what we're doing over on the Patreon, guys. These group video calls that we have every night, they're getting better and better every evening. The conversations are so educational. It keeps everybody up to date on everything that's going on, from self-custody wallets to banking to XCN to JASMY to everything. We get into some real deep root conversations, guys. A lot of learnings going on, and we have a lot of laughs along the way as well. You're definitely going to want to get over there and join them. You can see and hear everybody else. It's a fantastic time, and if you miss it, if you can't make the group calls, well, we record them and post them so you can rewatch them later if you've missed them, right? If you missed something, so check it out, guys. It's absolutely phenomenal. Nobody else, no Patreon, no Discord is offering this unprecedented level of access, not only to myself, but to the entire community. We have hundreds of people over there, guys. So check it out. The group video calls, we do them daily. You can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. We can help structure your portfolio, get an exit strategy in place for you guys so that you know where liquidity is in the market, so your sell orders fill, so you can leave this bull run with your profits intact. You need life-changing wealth for you and your family. This is how you get it done. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys later.